video, I'm going to share the top 3 marketing strategies for small businesses in 2020 that no one else is sharing. Each of these will help you increase your brand awareness, increase sales, and increase your bottom line. I'm Coco. I built a profitable e-commerce store to 6 figures in just 67 days in an extremely competitive and oversaturated industry just last year.
What?
Another one of my stores did over 12K within the first 12 hours of launching.
Yeah!
And I did that using the tactics I'm about to share with you. No luck, no hope, all strategies that worked for me time and time again that I know will also work for you. This is Millennial Money in Business, and we share the tools to help you escape your 9-to-5 with confidence every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So do me a favor, hit like and subscribe. It tells the algorithm to show our video to more people, and it gets us that much closer of hitting our goal of becoming the first woman-led business channel with more than 1 million subscribers.
Did you say Silvio?
No, I didn't say Silvio, but since you're here, can you pick that up, please?
Yeah, of course. Anything else I can do for you?
That's good.
Have a good day.
Thanks, Silvio. Sorry about that interruption. Small Business Marketing 2020 tip number 1. Everyone talks about you needing to constantly post on social media if you want to build your business, and while that could be helpful, commenting on social media is way more effective. Why? Because when you're just posting, you're relying on Instagram or whatever platform of your choice. We're gonna focus on Instagram for this conversation. But when you're posting like that, you're hoping the platform will show your post to only 4% of your followers. And maybe your followers are actually interested in your brand, but also maybe not. So maybe try this instead. Instead of hoping your customers come to you, you need to go to them. Find the places and pages on the platform that your ideal customer likes to frequent. They might be your competitors' pages. They might be what I call social water coolers, where they post news and niche-related content. Think the Shade Room if your ideal customer is a person of color or someone interested in hip-hop and urban culture. Or think Trend Mood if your ideal customer is into makeup, or Country Music Daily for country lovers. Definitely made up that last one, don't know anything about country. But if you need help creating your customer avatar, just click the link to this video. This is where I go super in depth on the topic, and it's extremely useful. But you find these pages, you see posts you think your ideal customer would respond to, and you hop in the comments section and respond to those people. They will click your name to see who's responding to them, because that typically doesn't happen. And think back. Anytime you've left a comment on a public forum, if anyone liked your comment or responded, that is a notification that you saw in your activity feed, and you definitely went to check out who that person was. So if people see that you've already given them something of value, whether it's liking their comment or responding to their comment thoughtfully and not spammy, you're actually triggering a psychological need for this person to reciprocate. What? Yup, we read a whole lot around these parts.
Read, honey.
Books, Nene, but sure. So next time you're logged into your business Instagram account, don't just scroll past or double tap interesting content. Hop in the comments and get social on social media, and it'll pay off in brand awareness, which of course is the first step in getting your customers through the know, like, trust funnel. Know, like, trust funnel. Like that tip? You subscribe yet? Yes, come on. We're gonna get better. We're just warming up now. Just warming up. Small Business Marketing 2020 tip number 2, post less. Pay more. You got excited when I said post less, huh? No. However, Kawhi does that. Post less, pay more, sis. Now, I actually think this is gonna save you money and make you more money while also saving you time. Because you can always make more money, but you can never make more time, except with this tip. Now, I'm kind of going to be contradicting what I've taught you in the past. So, as you know, every social media marketing guru tells you, content, 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 content.
Every day I get in there and I put out content. You gotta get out there and just dish out content. Just get it out there. Content!
And it's like, I actually decided to take a 6 months break from social media, and I'm going to talk about how that affected my branded business in one of my next videos. But during this time is when I discovered this post less, pay more strategy. So like I just stated, Facebook organic reach is dead, and Instagram's organic reach keeps getting throttled. Why? Because each of these platforms are businesses that want you to spend money to connect with people that might want to give you money. So instead of trying to beat the algorithm, maybe let's just approach this like you would any other tool necessary for your business's growth and put a budget behind your post strategy. So, full disclosure, I have probably a dozen social media pages for businesses. So while I wasn't posting on my personal account, I did have time to experiment with these accounts. And instead of posting several okay posts throughout the day, which can irritate your followers and become spammy real quick, we moved to only posting 1 or 2 posts a day. And I know you're thinking, but what about the algorithm? How will anyone ever find my business? Calm down, sis. If you just put $5, $10 in Facebook ads behind your post that force it into your followers' feeds, or even better, target your ideal customer, just check out my results on a single boosted post to see what it can do for you. Almost 300 likes, more than 100 saves, 42 follows, all female, all around the target age of my ideal customer, and all of them interested in my specific niche. How much did this cost me? $5.81. Most businesses don't get that kind of action in a single day with a single post organically because the platform doesn't want you to. Now, stats show it takes an average of 30 minutes to an hour and a half to formulate an IG post. So if you go from posting 6 posts a day and spending about 4 hours doing it to only spending 30 minutes on a single post in a day, is that not worth your $5? Like, we gotta start thinking smart here, sis. How much is your time worth? $5, 1 post, 30 minutes, or 4 hours, 6 posts, and free? One post is the answer, and $5. However much you make, as long as it's more than $1.25 an hour, it is worth it to save your time, post less, and pay a teeny bit more. And yes, there's a difference between simply boosting a post and getting on a desktop and going to Facebook's ad platform and getting super targeted and all that stuff. All of these are really effective, but these are the results I got by just doing the most basic boosting of the post, which is super beginner friendly and a great way to introduce yourself to Facebook ads. That's my post less, pay more strategy that I haven't heard a single other marketing pro share. Oh, did I earn a subscribe yet? You gonna make me beg? You're gonna make me earn it. I get it, I get it. But how about this? Let's drop a money bag emoji or a $sign in the comments section if you're getting any value from what I'm sharing. It really helps my video get shown to more people that might need to hear what I have to say. And growing this channel to 1 million subs is the only New Year's resolution, the only business goal, the only focus my team has for 2020. Why? Representation. How are there dozens, if not hundreds of guys with business channels on YouTube with 500,000, 1 million plus subscribers, and there isn't a single channel for women and business and money at that same level? Not a single one. Yes, I've said this before, and I plan on saying it in every video until we hit our goal, so ride with me, sisters. Don't know about you, but there are a bunch of little girls out there. I have a goddaughter and I have a bunch of nieces. I'm one of 7 kids. But if they don't see themselves represented on this platform, how are they gonna know that this is a real, tangible possibility? It's super important, beyond the dollars and cents. It's on us to show them what is possible. So do me a favor, hit subscribe, and let's get to tip 3, which helped me launch one of my businesses to over 12K in the first 12 hours and helped me rake in over $250,000 in just a few months just last year. That marketing strategy no one is talking about is the Small Business Marketing 2020 tip 3 that continues to make me a bunch of money. Start a hyper-specific, uber-niched YouTube channel. Yay! Just so you don't think I have an unfair advantage because of my news and media background, check out what these two entrepreneurs in Marissa Ramiro's video, who is a really great YouTuber to sub to if you're here to learn about making money, and I'm sure you are, so check her out.
To market to someone's email list. Because of our accomplishment on YouTube, we generated over 6 figures in 4 hours.
Oh my God. That is so freaking.
But in this video, this couple talks about making 6 figures in 4 hours with only 200 subs selling insurance. They talk about getting speaking engagements, now they're traveling the world, living by their own rules, all because they launched a hyper-specific, uber-niche YouTube channel. Yes, I can talk about my success here, but I want you to hear from regular, everyday people that decided to do this and their business blew up because of it. In my last video, I discussed how much YouTube paid me for a video that hit 1 million views, and I talk about the fact that I've never really, up until now, focused on growing my YouTube channel. I've only ever used this platform for its long-tail marketing opportunities, knowing that when you search for something on Google, because Google owns YouTube and places video results above ranked sites, this is a way for you to beat every last one of your competitors that have been building up their site SEO for years. So if you were to search how to start a hair extensions business, even though I had only launched my hair extensions business around the start of last year, I beat all of my competitors by showing up as the first video in those intent-based search results. You can search right now. I'm still number 1. You can do the same for yourself. So if you're gonna do this, you just have to stay in your lane, stay focused on your business and talking about those topics. Your channel should be very strictly business focused and should answer questions and offer solutions to potential customers. You really can't worry about views because it's not about getting 1 million views that have nothing to do with what you're actually selling and people that aren't interested in what you're offering, when you can get 1,000 views from people that are actually searching for you and what your brand has to bring to the table. So with YouTube, they now know you a little more, they like you a little more, they trust, no, like, do you feel me yet? Are you getting this yet? Yeah. Okay. And the great thing about this is that your videos live on YouTube forever and will remain in search results forever as well, as long as you provide that value. You only have to post the video once and you'll continue getting paid from it for years. If you want to dive even deeper on the subject, of course, I have even more YouTube videos coming, but you can also join my live monthly business coaching. It happens in my private CEO Society Facebook group, and it's literally only $5 a month right now for the first handful of people to join. So hit the link in the description. And this next topic is about to have some of us in our feelings. We're talking credit, how you can fix it, and a mistake I made following the advice of literally every credit repair expert out there that cost me a 100-point drop in a single day. Yup, hit subscribe and the notification bell to make sure you don't miss this. You can't afford to.